Finally, we have arrived to the event venue. Now it's about 5:20, and then you can see that it's almost full. So far, I have seen about 5 of my friends. The balloon number 2 is his ex-boss.
So we are supposed to get ready our ID.
Now we are in the queue. Everyone are very systematic.
All of the people helping out Yasi are actually volunteers.
Thank you. Thank you. First thing we need to do is we're going to explore some of the booths, and then we try to look for our friends. See, everyone are very friendly, right?
They separated the
Yeah,
queue.
it's not like last year. I remember that they have to check the IC and the security screening at the same time. Security screening is very fast, right? So now let's head on there. You can get the pink card slide over here. And then let's go into this grand arch. You ready? Let's go! Wow. This year the decoration is very nice. Coconut water, the sponsor Aloha Pork, the sunscreen station, oh wow, that's nice. And the free balloons as well. Over here you don't have to worry about the washroom, the limited washroom. There is a huge washroom over here and the pop-up mobile washroom right over there.
It's pink color.
Yeah, it's pink color. Almost everything is pink. Hello, it's me. Hey, can I take
Stickers down for EasyLink card.
Oh, wow, cool. So the first gift I get is a sticker for the EasyLink card. I saw our friend. So let's go to look for Jun Chua, the lady from the Tea Project. Over here. Where's Jun? Where's Jun? Jun. So that is Jun. Hi, this is Jun Chua. After take photo and then you got, what is this? Oh wow, so cool. That's from, oh, it's and get the mini ice cream, pink color. Okay. Melting. You know he's big, right? He gives the big ice cream to Sean. Bye bye. We got our third free gift, the ice cream, and then
The fuel box.
here's the sunscreen station. And wow, you can see the muscle man. Oh, I will take this one.
One more.
And this sticker.
Actually, there are more than 3.
Oh, really? Okay, so this is our
whatever
fourth
you can
gift.
find.
Yeah, yeah, thank you.
so much.
Yay.
Thank you.
We got this. Then let's see what else is this. Hi, may I know what it is?
We give me a condom.
Oh, condom. Yes, protection is important.
First time in Pink Dot.
Oh, so first time in Pindor giving condom, then of course I will need to take 2
Yeah.
for tonight.
Good luck, have fun.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, more condom for more fun and more protection.
Thank you.
People are laughing at my tagline. We met about maybe like 6 or 8 of our friends already, and then let's check out the photo booth now. I'm not sure what is the photo booth is about, but it's looking cool. Okay, Sean is going to write the story about, and then we're going to take a photo. Now we're ready to look for our friend. Now it's, what is the time? Now it's like 5:48. I saw someone I know. Hello. Happy Bingo! Hi! It's really a fun event. It's so fun to see all your friends at the same time and in the same place.
So sweet.
Yeah, and then let's try to look for the big The big blue mat. One of Sean's friend, I believe, should be around here. Here! So two of our friends just right next to each other. I'm gonna say hello to Frank first. There's another very important person over there as well. Yeah. Hello. Especially sponsor. Thank you for the sponsor. He also the one of the photographers volunteering in Pink Dot almost every year. And then now when he look at me, a bit shocked. Hello, hello, hello. It's me. Another friend is here.
Like this the whole day.
Hello.
Thank you and welcome everybody. Thank you for making
The
time
banter,
and joining us.
Now we are settled down on the big blue mat over here. It's like always yearly event from the Dorothy.
Okay.
And then Sean is like brought all these quick the snack.
What is the sign?
It's proudly
for
sponsored by the sister.
Fabulous.
And then what else?
Oh, it's like that. It's like
Ah.
that. Okay, no. Everybody, can you do with me? Can you do with our friends over here?
This
Can you
wow,
do this?
so cute.
Fabulous is like that.
But fabulous is like what?
Cannot. Okay.
Fabulous.
1, 2, 3. Fabulous.
Bring all the food. We have a lot of friends over here. Eat it.
Sugar brand and Gucci Benny Prada, it's money from your papa. Yeah. Space and zoo. Yeah. Crossroad don't look. Yeah. House don't mean textbook, your makeup look Harry Potter. Yeah.
Girl, what did that girl just say, girl? Girl, I don't dance, I work.
They wanna be me, I am the fantasy. Do I have your attention? Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real face, lips, eyes.
Standing together. Sing along. Okay, now we're gonna try. Okay, and go to the floor. Sky, floor, sky, floor. Overhead, floor, big hat, floor, big hat. Very obedient. Floor, big hat, floor, big hat, and go crazy.
One more pose. We met another friend again. It's another year of volunteering. Yay! Another pizza. Woo! Long day for them. Finally, it's the end of the event, and then like party time for them. Dance. Go harder. Go higher. Go harder. Try one more time. Then you can party harder. Go.
We have come to the end of the event. This year is slightly different because the light up actually ended a little bit later. But all in all, I think we had a very nice time. We enjoyed the music, but if there are more pop songs, then it will be great. So happy Pixar to everybody, and hope to see you all next year.